I don't know about you, but I do not clean my jewelry as often as I should, especially my rings that are dirty, getting dirty every day with lots of oils and dirt and all of the things. So I am so excited about this jewelry cleaner and how easy and quick this is to use. So this is how it comes, and then you actually need to go add some water to it. So I'm gonna go do that. We'll add some water and go from there. So you want to add the water to about the top of the label and not any higher than that. You don't want it too full. And then you can put the sprayer on or this lid and then shake it really well. And then I am going to put the sprayer on after. And so then it's ready to go. It works on a lot of different types of jewelry. You can use it on diamonds, gems, watches, just wherever you're needing clean, but it's really easy to use. So all you do is you just take your jewelry that you're needing cleaned, and then you just spray this on. I don't feel like it comes any easier than that. So you'll just spray this, and then ideally I probably should have put a paper towel under this, but you just spray it and then let it sit. So I'm gonna go get a paper towel, and then you'll let it sit for about a minute, and then you'll go ahead and just wipe it off and polish it up. I'm gonna spray this one now. This one's hard because it has all of those little tiny crevices, especially underneath. Everything gets stuck. So I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and then go ahead and clean these off. Okay, after a minute, I actually went ahead and washed them off with water just to get that spray off of them. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this and rub them. And even just from rinsing them, I could already tell that they were way cleaner than when I started. So you can tell it just has like that shine to them. And this is hands down the quickest, easiest jewelry cleaning that I have ever done. So if you are looking for something that's going to be quick and effective, then you should definitely check this out.